Hello, you. How are you today? This time we have about a 2 pound Goodwill grab bag, and it's supposed to have a bunch of silver and black jewelry. I think I even see some watches in here, maybe. We'll have to check them out and see if they even work. Real quick, let me thank all my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so we never miss a treasure hunt together. I really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get in here and let's see what we find. I see boxes already. I see tags, which means that they are new or new-ish. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, it's got a little bit of wear there, but that is so pretty. I can see that. I gotta put that on a chain now. What do we have here? Well, I can see the letters say love, but let's see if we can fix that. The ring boxes, okay. Oh, what do we got back here? I like to check everything out. Love necklace, made in China. Yeah, that was a big clue, the Love. Nothing inside. You ever open that or take something out like this and there's like another necklace behind it? Just like a chain somebody wanted to put and hold. And so they put it in behind. I've done that half a dozen times. Okay. Okay, that's not connected properly. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay. Undo this. Oh, chains sometimes. You know what I even annoys me, like hoses, like garden hoses or Christmas tree lights. Oh my goodness. It's the worst. I'm like, how did you get tangled like you did? Okay, this is almost done. Hey, all right. Let's just connect this so it doesn't get tangled again. As easy anyway. If I can get my fingernail on it. There we go. Yay. Okay, let's see the love. Love. Well, that's darling. It's very shiny pretty, too. You can tell it hasn't been worn. There's not even hardly any like fingerprints or anything on it either. Let's get him back in the box. Hold. Oh, now I got fuzzies on me. Oh, goodness. Okay. All right. Cute. Back in the box you go. Get in there. There we go. Nice. Fuzzies everywhere, especially when you're this close to the camera. You can tell all the fuzzies. Stick that over there. I see another box too. Let me pull that. Ooh, and it's something else. Okay, still on. Oh, right side up, sterling silver. I gotta check that out. Those are definitely cubic zirconia. Nothing on that box. Oh, made in Thailand. And a SKU number. Let's check out behind it. Anything? No. Okay, but we are going to check this out. It says sterling silver, but I want to see a 925 on here. Let's see if I can get that off. You can tell that hasn't been worn. It's very tight. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I can see something right there. There's my stamp. I can't get close enough to the camera to show you, but right. Keep going. There. Right in the middle of the post. Awesome. Okay, well, we'll just put that right back. Oh, wait, I gotta show you how pretty. Look at that. Yeah, if you didn't know better, you'd say that was a real diamond. I like all the different sizes of this too. That's just handy to have. Sometimes you want just a little guy, and sometimes you want a big statement earring. I love that. I'm not saying I'm keeping it. My eye is on it though. Instead of selling it, I might keep it. You don't know. You don't know. Beautiful. It's nice also if you travel, take something like that. Take something that looks like it's real, but if you lose it, who cares? Oh yeah, this one. Jacqueline Smith collection, sensitive ear. Must be at least plated. $6.99. Ooh, I like the black with the silver though. Doesn't that look pretty? And they're faceted little black stone. Okay, Kmart. Oh yeah, didn't Jacqueline Smith? She was with Kmart. Yeah, we used to see those ads all the time. Nice. It's pretty. What else do we have? Oh my. What's this say? Made in China, but paparazzi. Look at all those. Now see, again, I'm going to say it. I would take those beads off and do something else with them. I'm not sure if I'll do that or not. But like I don't understand the way that those end, the little just circle. I don't know. Paparazzi. Okay. Let's flip this over. Which way does it go? Okay, that way. See the little red gems? That's pretty. Intended for 14 years and up. Okay, intended for. Okay, looks like another paparazzi here. Yes. Oh, and it's got little earrings with it too. Those do not look in great shape. I can't really tell if that's supposed to be a distressed look or not. Those are wood. Maybe that's why the earrings look a little different because they're wood. Yeah, just like these discs have some like gouges in them kind of thing. Looks worn. It's supposed to look like that. That's neat though that we have the set. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, those are interesting. So they're stretchy. But look at the wire. That says faith. Neat. Okay. But look at the wire. Interesting. It's like cable. And then we have another one here. I like, oh, is that wounded or no? The little gold balls are, or maybe even, those could be copper balls. I think they're little gold plated. Be charming. Okay, I am going to be charming. I don't think that's a brand. Is it a brand? I don't think so. Okay. Wow. That is shiny, especially against the black like that. Really jumps out at you, doesn't it? Interesting. And again, being faceted, yeah, really makes the light pop off of it. Oh, this little guy. Oh, neat. Okay, again with the facets. And I like that you can see through it. They didn't put a back on it. Can you see that it's blue? It's kind of a different color. Oh wait, did we get a second one? Okay, got it. I'm trying to get it in the light here for you. Not doing a great job keep wanting to flip on themselves. See that blue? Interesting. And one little black earring. Hoop. Oh, that's so cute. Little cross with, it looked like it had enamel on that black enamel on the inside. And we have the second one. Yay. I love when we have the match. Oh, we have a bunch more of these. Okay, let's see if I can get that loose. Let go. Thank you. Okay. Oof. Careful. Careful. With that kind of wire, I can see that getting snagged. Happiness. Okay. What else? Love. How many are we on through? That's 3 now, right? This is 4th. Peace, if I can flip it around. There we go. Peace. I wonder if you're supposed to wear these all together. Okay. These don't have the bee charming on it, the little charm, but oh, we have one more here. If I can get a hold of it, it's Serenity. Pretty. I almost think you should wear multiple ones of that together. Neat. Little pocket watch. Oh, look at the design back there. Interesting. Okay, let's open it. Let's do it. Push the button. Here we go. Look at the extra detail they put on the inside. It's a little dusty. And it doesn't look like it's working. Let me pull this out and see if I can even turn the... No, it doesn't want to come open so I can turn. I was going to turn the dial, turn the hands so we could see if that worked. May have to get back into this later on and see if it just needs a battery or if I can fix it, do a little repair. See, a second one. Neat. Flip it over. There we go. You see that mother of pearl in the background there? And it's got all of its little rhinestones. Let's see if we can see this. Japan, stainless steel, has a code. So how do we open this? Do I push? No. I am just fantastic at trying to figure out how to get these open, Art. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, and it says something in here too, so I can manage not to hit the camera with that. China. Okay. I'll have to check these out. We'll put it in the last video. Okay, well, very good. Well, that was super fun. And I never like to keep you too long, so we'll pick this up again next time. Thanks again to all my current subscribers, and please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I really enjoy hearing from you, even if it's just to say hi. I post jewelry videos every Thursday and Sunday, so please join me. By the way, I just started doing YouTube Shorts where you get to choose which piece of jewelry that I show you is your favorite. I'll add a link to one of those in the description below so you can check it out. Hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.